Hey guys, it's Lexi. So today I know I look crazy. I have like my bonnet on and my robe and I look like I'm about to go to sleep, but I'm not. I had an idea and I just decided to share it with you guys. So I wanted to share a quote with you that inspired me to do this. And one of my friends say it all the time, but I don't really know who said it originally. But it's basically something like, if you can't find the opportunities that you want, make the opportunities for yourself. And that is the whole like inspiration around this, because I have so many ideas that that I don't get done, and now I'm just trying to do them for myself and see how this works out. So today I will be doing an editorial shoot that I came up with by myself. I'm gonna do my own makeup, my own hair, and I'm gonna wear my natural hair. That's why I got on my bonnet today. So yeah, I actually don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. It's gonna be one of the three colors: green, blue, or purple, or pink. Okay, four: green, blue, purple, or pink. So I'm going through the process where I'm trying to do that. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'll figure out which color I'm going to use for my eyes. And then from there I'll figure out, I'm not going to have my mouth closed, it's going to be like up here, or maybe like waist up. So I'll figure out all of that as we go. So wish me luck. Hopefully this video gets put up, because I record a lot of videos that I don't put up, which is a really bad issue that I need to fix. But yeah, so watch me through this process, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm at my vanity now in my room, and I'm about to do my makeup, but I realized that I really have to hurry up because it is now 6:58 and the sun sets at 8:06 today, so I would like to do it before the sun sets because I'm doing the shoot in my room too. So I have to hurry up. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just did like my foundation, concealer, all that stuff, and I asked my brother what color he wanted, and he said purple, and my mom said lavender. So I'm gonna show you the color that I'm gonna use for my eyeshadow. This is actually a Christmas gift that I never opened because and the color I'll be using is this one, because I don't really have any lavender, so that's the color we're gonna use today. Okay, I'm gonna show an example of the like 2 editorial shots, so you can get the idea of what I'm trying to do but not really trying to do. I'm not gonna do the exact same thing as them. My brothers are just gonna give me random ideas, tell me where to put the eyeshadow, and we're gonna work from there. Stay tuned.
set the makeup. He told me to put more eyeshadow on the bottom. And my mommy chose the lip. So now to figure out the hair. Alright, so I'm leaving it like this. I can either pull it back and then just have it like this, or I can leave it out. I might do both, but this is typically the final look. So oh, the time, it is 7:54, so I literally took an hour. I was on the phone back and forth with my mom and my brother. So yeah, it's 7:54. The sun is about to set, so I'm gonna try to get a few shots in. I have my beautiful ring light, courtesy of my best friend. So yeah, let me do this. We're gonna do this. Hopefully it come out nice, because if it don't come out nice, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm so serious. Okay, so yeah, it's a wrap. I took my pictures. Gonna put these up and show the process, but I do want to show you guys this. So this came with the ring light, and I just stand by my white wall in my room, and I click it. So I'm doing headshots, and I'm pose click, click, click. Ooh, that would have been nice. I'm gonna save this one. But yes, so yeah, I pose and click. This is like a big staple, so make sure your ring light comes with one, or make sure you order one. Yeah, and just thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, just please click the subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Anything would help. Thank you.